Carnival is just part of who we are. It's in our system. How we were brought up meant that, you know, there are things that just go part and parcel with your everyday life. And Carnival is one, Christmas is another, Easter is another. It was just part and parcel.
If I wanted to present what's beautiful about London, I would want that person to go to Notting Hill Carnival.
For the people who participate in Carnival, it's, if not a big deal, it's probably the biggest deal for us.
It brings different cultures together and different aspects of joy and just a lot of freedom. A lot of people are just there to kind of like have fun and release a lot of positive energy.
I see Carnival as an aspect of community arts and as a community worker and as a Trinidadian. I'm born in Carnival.
I literally need Carnival because I grew up in Carnival, so I look forward literally to Carnival every year.
Tradition inspired to me. As simple as that, I can't be doing anything else, you know.
The Carnival feels like a family to me. When I put my costume on, it made me feel like I'm a star.
Because for me, if I talk about Notting Hill Carnival, to me, it's street theatre, it's masquerade, what you're portraying and enjoying yourself. I really believe in enjoying yourself.
Preserving the traditional aspect of the carnival is important to us because first it's a foundation, and then with that foundation you can just build on it.
I mean, for one, it's almost like a big release of energy. It's a build-up of lots of energy and tension and a big release when you're actually performing and doing the stuff. You know, it's this great, wonderful thing of joy. And it's just such a lovely, big, happy family, everybody looking out for each other and just having that explosion of joy. And then we pass that on to the spectators, obviously.
One of the most joyous occasions in the calendar year, like, it's full of vibes.
Of your life.
Fun. Yeah,
of
literally, I can't imagine.
Like, Carnival is like a grown-up playground. Like, we could just have so much fun there.
There's always one word that I associate with Carnival, and that's freedom. I think for me, freedom of spirit, freedom of mind, freedom of all social ills.
I think it just brings all the different diverse aspects of our community together, particularly for one day. Everybody comes together.
It's important to me because it gives me a chance to express who I am. It gives me a chance to honour my ancestors, to honour my mother, my father, my grandparents, and to all that hard work that they put in so I can do something, achieve something, make a positive contribution to society. And the Carnival does that for me.
NSC is me because I'm really a tradition, you know.
Notting Hill Carnival is me because I'm really thankful to those who have literally kind of changed my life and given me something so amazing to experience, to love and to share with others.
NHC is me because it's my culture and I am my culture.
NHC is me because culture, vibe, energy runs through me, and it is how I give back 100%.
NHC is me because I live, breathe, eat it. NHC is in my life every day of the week. Once Carnival's over, I'm already planning for the next Carnival. So NHC for me is life.
NHC is me because it brings love and joy and peace and unity to me.
NXC is we.
Because it's all about family.
Notting Hill Carnival is me because I've grown up in it. I've grown up in Carnival, in Notting Hill Carnival. You know, that's where I started my Carnival sort of career. So it's me.
NHC is me because I live in this area. I love it, I embrace it, it's part of my heritage. The best things ever happened in my life. Everything to do with a carnival, I embrace every year. With love.
NHC is me because it makes me feel fearless and strong.
NHC is me because I love people.
NHC is me because I want to hold on to that tradition.
Fun, vibes, friends, NHC is me.
NHC is me, it's you, it's all of us.